What's up, TSOD fam? It's your boy Sean. Welcome back to the channel. Super excited to be with you guys. I know it's been a little bit of a minute since I dropped a new video, but I've been working on a couple different projects. Just need some time to kind of wrap those up, as well as, just spend some time with the family and friends, take a little bit of a break from dropping, awesome firearms content for you guys. But I am back with a new video. Actually, this is a little bit of an issue that I found on my pistol as I was getting ready to hit the range. I noticed that my front sight post here was a little bit loose, all right? So I was like, might as well just make a little video, just kind of walking you through how you guys can basically do this on your own and tighten it up, all right? So with that being said, for this Glock 19 and most Glocks, the front sight post, the size of the little nut that holds this thing nice and tight up there is a 3/16. All right. So if you don't have like a little handy dandy fancy tool like this one from Real Avid, now this is a specific tool that's got a 3/16 basically driver on there to be able to tighten up the hex nut as well. It's kind of it serves like a dual purpose as well. It's got a punch that's built specifically for Glocks to be able to push some of the pins out. So it was just a no-brainer. I mean, this thing was pretty cheap. I think it was like, I don't know, 20 bucks, somewhere around there. I'll link to it in the description box below for you guys. But a long story short, we're gonna basically take this slide off. We're gonna tighten up this nut. We're gonna put a little bit of Loctite, so hopefully this doesn't happen again. And we're gonna get this bad boy back in action, all right? So you're not gonna wanna miss this episode. We'll get right into it right after the intro. All right, guys, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed the intro. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna go ahead and get this slide off of here so we can see what we're working with, the 3/16 hex nut that's holding this bad boy to the slide, all right? So first things first, before you start handling a firearm, you definitely wanna know what weapons condition it is in. And if you're working on it, doing any sort of maintenance, hopefully it's in condition 4. So already got the magazine removed. I'm just gonna lock the slide to the rear so you guys can see that. All right, with that being said, now I can manipulate the trigger and go ahead and get the slide off. So one of the easiest ways to go ahead and release a slide off of a Glock or most semi-automatic modern pistols is basically to pull the slide back. You've got a slide sort of lock right here, and then you'll pull the trigger here. Oh, you go ahead and pull this back down. Now what we're gonna do is pull the trigger and sort of push that slide forward just like that, all right? Definitely understand the weapons condition of that pistol before you start manipulating it. Make sure it doesn't have any rounds in there. Magazines removed, the whole 9 yards before you guys start manipulating the trigger. All right, so now that we have the slide removed, what we're gonna go ahead and do is take off this spring here. We're gonna go ahead and pull out our barrel, all right? We're gonna go ahead and lift that. And then right there, guys, I don't know if you can see it in here, but there you have it. There's that little hex nut. You might be able to see it wiggling around just like this. What we're gonna do is basically, I'm gonna remove that nut. I'm gonna go ahead and get this, the Glock specific front sight disassembly tool out of here, and we're gonna go ahead and use that to remove it. We're gonna clean off all the oil off of it. Use this alcohol, use this little towel here. We're gonna wipe it down. And then I'm gonna put just a little bit of Loctite on there, run it back up, tighten it up, and then let it sit for 24 hours. That's it, all right? So let's get this bad boy open. Remember guys, safety first, always cut away from yourself, all right? All right, so I didn't cut deep enough on this. Let me give it another run here. All right, I think we're good now. This little tool, I don't know, I saw this on Amazon. Now again, you don't have to get this specific tool from Real Avid. As long as you get basically a little nut driver or hex driver, 3/16 in size. This one is specifically set up for the Glock. So, I figured I'd buy it once and I can use it for a lifetime, guys. All right, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go ahead and remove that nut from in there. I'm just gonna go ahead and screw that out of there. Just be careful when you pull it off to where you don't drop it and lose it, all right? And as you can see here, you've got the front sight post I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe this bad boy down, set this off to the side, and then I have the little kind of bolt here, if that's what you want to call it. Now, as I could see it, there's no Loctite that I can see. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna just kind of rinse this puppy down in some alcohol to get any sort of oil off of there. I'm gonna wipe it down here. I'm gonna blow on it. We're gonna leave this for about, I don't know, about a minute or so, let it dry off, and then we're gonna coat it with some of this blue Loctite. Now, the thing about the Loctite, there's different levels, different strengths of Loctite. I would say blue's right in the middle, kind of a medium. There's a green, and then there's red, and there's probably some other colors too. Generally, the red one is like, you know, it's on there really, really good. I would say with the blue, it'll have a really good hold, but it will still allow you to remove that that nut or bolt or whatever it is you're trying to keep tightened down. So I personally prefer the blue Loctite. I mean, you guys can do whatever you guys want to do to go ahead and keep those things from backing off, all right? Okay, so it's been a little over a minute right now, and you might not be able to see this. It's really, really small. What I'm gonna do right here is just get a little bit right there, and just gonna put a little bit here just right on the end, so that way when it runs down, it will actually tighten up. So I've got my slide here, I got my front side post. I'm gonna go ahead and set that bad boy in, and I'm going to basically just hold it, kind of flip it over. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and set it up here in my little tool, so that way when I flip it over, it is right and set up in a position. Just make sure you don't remove too much of the Loctite when you're kind of fitting it in here. Might put a little bit more, there we go. So I'm gonna put a little bit more here, just right on the end, not a ton. As you can see, if you can see it, right about that much, right? Not a ton at all. I'm just gonna hold this in there, figure out where it's at, get it in there, and I'm gonna go ahead and start to screw it in. I'm gonna make sure that my front sight post is nice and lined up. Now, when I'm tightening it, you wanna get it nice and snug and just give it a little bit of a quarter turn, not a ton, right? Not a lot. Nice little quarter turn on there. I'm sure there's a specific torque setting or something like that. You know what? I'm just gonna give it the old quarter turn once it's nice and tight, and that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and let that sit at least 24 hours, and then boom, we should be good. We should be Gucci, ready to shoot. So I'm just gonna go ahead and reassemble this in reverse order here. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get that back onto the lower portion of my frame here. All right, do a quick little functions check. All right, cool. So that is pretty much it, guys. Down and dirty, short and simple. This little tool right here, I'll show it to you from Real Avid. Here on the other side, it's got a punch to where you can push out some of these pins here on the pistol. So it's just one of those things you can keep in your go bag. If your front sight post, you're on the range, it comes loose, you can quickly, you know, get that thing back in action, get it tightened. All right, short and sweet video, guys. Nothing crazy about this. Literally just tightening up the front sight posts, and that's that, all right? So again, appreciate you guys tuning in. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so. It definitely helps me out. Go ahead and smash that like button and share this. Like it and share it. That way, you know, other viewers just like yourself, they can find my channel, and I appreciate it. I will see you guys again soon on the TSOD channel. Peace.